I'm a stylist at the Cristophe Salon, and I will be showing you a waterfall braid today.
Sami's model's hair was curled to give a more romantic look to the braid. Add a bit of volume to the whole style by lightly teasing the crown. Begin your waterfall braid starting a French braid at your temple using about 2 inches of hair. Bring a top section of hair into the top strand. Pull the top strand into the center of your braid, dropping it down, bringing the bottom strand of hair over the drop section, and closing the drop by bringing the center strand of hair over the bottom strand. Repeat these steps. When your braid reaches the other side of your head, finish the braid and let it fall loosely to the side. This gorgeous romantic look will only get easier with practice.
Thank you for watching. Tune in for more videos at the Cristophe YouTube channel.